welcome in the online English class. Myself, I am Kadapa Swami KS, working as a English teacher at GHS Palavanalli. Today, we are all living happy and comfortable. All these things are getting from the best efforts of our work. Do you think who provided all these things? Yes, they are the scientists. Now I will show some pictures. You may tell their names and mention at least one contribution. Okay? Who is he? He is the Jagadish Chandra Bose. He proved planet have a life. Who is he? He is the H.J. Baba. He is the founder of Atomic Research Center at Mumbai. Homi Jahangir Baba, called in short H.J. Baba. Who is he? He is the Sir Isaac Newton. He stated the laws of gravitation and the law of motion. He stated three Newton's laws. This is the Newton's third law. This is stated every action that contains a reaction. Who is he? He is the James Watt. He invented the steam engine. Who is he? He is the Galileo. He invented compass and telescope. This is the compass. It is very useful for all kinds of people to knowing the directions, and it is very useful for the navigator in their voyage. This is the telescope. In this telescope, we can see distant object near, and also it is used to see the galaxy in the sky or stars. Who is he? He is the Vikram Sarabhai, father of Indian space program. Who is he? What do you know about him? He is the C.V. Raman. He is an Indian scientist. He awarded the Nobel Prize for his scattering of light and the effect of light rays. Today we will learn about the Sir C.V. Raman in the unit 2. All of you listen carefully. Later I will ask some questions regarding the paragraph. Sir C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 in Trichy. He was the son of Chandrasekhar Iyer and Parvati Amma. Chandrasekhar was a professor of physics at Hindu College, Visakhapatnam. Raman studied there at the Hindu College High School. He was very much interested in science from his boyhood days. Even as a boy, he made the model of a dynamo. In this paragraph, you see Raman's early childhood, and even Raman as a boy, he made the model of dynamo. And when was Raman born? Who were Raman parents? What was his father? Where did Raman study? How can you say that Raman was very much interested in science? We see this is C.V. Raman. C.V. stands for Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. When was Raman born? Raman born on 7th November 1888 in Trichy. You see the Trichy in Tamil Nadu state. Trichy nowadays called as Tiruchirappalli. This is the district also. You see in Tamil Nadu state map. The Trichy is exactly 551 kilometers from Chitradurga. It takes 10-hour journey to reach Trichy. Who are Raman's parents? Raman's parents were Chandrasekharaya and Parvati Amman. This is Chandrasekharaya. She is Parvati Amman. He is the father of C.V. Raman. She is the mother of Raman. What was Raman's father? Raman's father was a professor. Professor is a one kind of job. Your father also making one kind of job. Either it may be farmer or tailor, driver, mechanic, teacher, nurse, etc. You see in this picture a carpenter making the woodwork. It is also a kind of profession. He is doctor. She is the teacher. He is an advocate or lawyer. Washerman washing the clothes. Weaver weaving the cloths. Where did Raman study? Raman studied at the Hindu College High School. This is the Hindu College High School. Here Raman studied. This is the model of dynamo. When Raman was born, he made the model of a dynamo. This shows Raman was a boy who was very much interested in science. How can you say that Raman was very much interested in science? Raman borrowed science book from college students. It showed Raman was very much interested in science. Now move on, next paragraph. During his school days, he borrowed science books from college students and read them. Thus, from his early days, he showed great interest in science. Unfortunately, he used to fall sick every now and then, and he was not able to attend school regularly. In spite of his poor health, he got first class in his matriculation examination. When he was only a boy of 12, he completed his matriculation examination. In this paragraph, we see Raman borrowed science book from his college students. It shows he was very much interested in science. Unfortunately, Raman falls sick every now and then. That means Raman's health was broken. So sometimes he was absent to the class because of his ill health. So Raman was not going to school regularly. In spite of his poor health, he got first class in his matriculation examination when he was only a boy of 12. Means in spite of Raman's poor health, he got his matriculation examination in the first class at the age of 12. Matriculation means he passing the national board examination or the state board examination, that called matriculation examination. Why was Raman not able to attend the school regularly? Raman was fallen sick every now and then. He was not able to attend school regularly. Now we know the system of education in our Karnataka. All your study like all these LKG, UKG, 1 to 5th, 6 to 7th, 8 to 10th, first PUC to second PUC, BA or BSc, MA or MSc. What does LKG stands for? LKG means lower kindergarten. UKG stands for upper kindergarten. 1 to 5th, lower primary. 6 to 7, higher primary. 8 to 10, high school. First PUC and second PUC called as college. BA or BSc studied in UG course. UG means undergraduate course. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. BSc stands for Bachelor of Science. MA and MSc are PG course. MA means Master of Arts, MSc means Master of Science. These are PG, postgraduate course. All of you understand the education system. Borrow means getting from others. In this paragraph, we see some prefixes. Prefix is a word it adding before the word. Prefixes are like this: in, ir, un, in, mis, miss, dis, dis, non, non, ig, ig. Here are the some prefixes. Give suitable prefix for the following: fortunate, unfortunate, use, unused, able, unable, regular, irregular. Here are the some phrases in this paragraph. The first one is in spite of. In spite of, Ram passed his matriculation examination in the first class. Made up of, Raman made up of mind to study science. Give up, I give up my all bad habits. Now let's move on the third paragraph. Raman passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College and joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA. His relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics as his special subjects for BA. Since Raman had made up his mind to study science, he took physics. He passed his BA, securing the first rank and a number of prizes. He passed his MA in physics in January 1907. In this paragraph, Raman passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College. Intermediate means HSC, Higher Secondary Education. He was passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College. Next, we joined the Presidency College, Madras for his BA. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. His relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics as his special subjects for BA. Raman relatives sometimes advised to give up science and take history and economics as his special subjects for BA because Raman broken is health. Sometimes he fallen sick, so that was very difficult to study science. So his relatives advised him to give up science and take BA. It is very easy to pass and getting the job. He took physics. He passed his BA, securing the first rank. So Raman give up science and take BA and securing the first rank. That means he passed the BA examination in first rank. Securing means obtain or get, and Raman get number of prizes in the college. He passed his MA. MA stands for Master of Arts. So Raman passed his MA in January 1907. This is the Hindu College. Here Raman studied BA. This is the Presidency College of Madras. Raman studied in MA in this college and he got first rank. Where did Raman complete his intermediate examination? Raman completed his intermediate examination from Hindu College. What subjects did his relative advise him to take for BA? His relatives advised Raman to give up science and take for BA in history and economics. Here are some home assignment questions. All of you return the answer. Tomorrow I will check. Thank you.